All right, grab your bottles, throw in some hollow chrome powder, a little bit of blue pigment, unicorn pigment, and some type of glitter I can't describe. Mix it up and let's see what we have. I am trying to get some mermaid love today. All right, I like it, but it seems like it's a little too more of a jelly effect, you know what I'm saying? So I think we're gonna add some white pigment to add a little thickness. And a little bit of aqua and some gold chrome pigment. All right, let's see here. That gold should really pop too. All right, things are happening. It's, ooh, looks like light blue jeans or something. Add your mixing marbles. Throw on your midi cap. Slide your brush on in there, and you have a complete pottle. Sweet. All right, so it's all the way at the bottom. We didn't really make a lot, so let's use it as a pot. And let's give it a good swatch. Ooh, I like this. I can feel my gills and my fins growing. This is really pretty, y'all. This is cute. What do you think? Ooh. All right, let's give it a bigger swatch. All right. Paint that nail, Nanny. Paint that nail. All right. Let's see here. This is a really pretty color. If I saw this in the store, I'd buy it. But this is a blue by me. Oh, this is lovely. What do you think? Oh, yeah. Oh, do it slow. Sweet. I love this. I love this a lot. What do you guys think? Give it a thumbs up. Hopefully. Anyway, thanks for watching.